You are living a moment in history. One of those moments they're going to write about and they're going to talk about for generations. This enemy doesn't attack the strongest of us. It attacks our most vulnerable. And every instinct says, protect them, help them, because they need us. This is a moment that is going to change this nation, that forges people. And 10 years from now, you'll be talking about today, and you will shed a tear because you will remember the lives lost. But you will also be proud. You'll be proud of what you did. You had the courage to show up. That is your duty, to do what you can when you can. You'll be there with your mind, you'll be there with your heart. And I bring you thanks from all New Yorkers who are just so appreciative of the sacrifice that you are making. So I say, my friends, that we go out there today and we kick coronavirus ass. God bless each and every one of you.